Hey Henna Guys Fam, today we're going to be talking about our jet black beard dye. Our beard dye is the same formula as our normal hair dyes, but you guessed the difference, it's for beards. It can be used on your normal hair too. Jet black beard dye has two ingredients, henna and indigo. Like our jet black hair dye, the beard dye is also a two-step process. To start with, we're going to need a non-metallic bowl. We used a glass bowl. You will also need a wooden or plastic utensil. Take the packet labeled henna powder and measure out the desired amount. Full measurements will be provided in the description box. We will be using the entire packet. Pour your henna into the bowl and begin to add in the liquid of your choice. You can have distilled water, tea, or brewed coffee. For this video, we will be using black coffee. When pouring in your liquid, only add a little at a time, stirring after each addition. This will help to eliminate any clumps. You will be looking for a cake batter consistency with the henna. You will need to stir the henna for several minutes. While we're stirring, let's talk about what can be added to the henna mixture. If you are trying to cover any grays, you can add in 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. The ACV will help to create more porosity in the hair follicles, which will make it easier for the henna to coat the strands. After several minutes of stirring, your henna should look like this. It has a smooth, batter-like texture. You will need to cover the henna and let it complete the full 8 to 10 hour dye release process. You can mix the henna the night before the application. Just make sure the dye is covered so it doesn't lose moisture. After 8 to 10 hours, your henna should look something like this. You may need to give it an additional stir due to the henna oxidizing overnight. Once it has been stirred, you can prepare for the application. Wearing gloves, you can either use your fingers or the hair dye brush. Apply the henna in a downward motion from the roots to the ends of your beard. Continue applying the henna until each strand is covered. Cover your beard with the provided shower cap or plastic wrap and leave on for 2 hours. Rinse with cool water, starting from the ends of your beard and working your way up to the roots. After your beard has dried, you can take the second packet, labeled indigo powder, measure out the same amount as the henna powder and pour it into the non-metallic bowl. Add in your liquid. We used black brewed coffee again and stir until smooth. The indigo doesn't take as much time to mix as the henna does. You will only need to add a little bit of liquid at a time, stirring after each addition. It should only take a few minutes of stirring to make it to the desired consistency. While we're stirring, let's talk about what can be added to the indigo mixture. You can add in 1 teaspoon of salt into the indigo. The salt will help the indigo to release the color and to help cover the grays. After several minutes of stirring, your indigo should look like this. Let the indigo rest for about 20 minutes, then you can prepare for the application process. When applying, repeat the same process as the henna, applying the indigo in a downward motion, ensuring that all strands have been coated. Cover the beard with the provided shower cap or plastic wrap and leave on for 2 hours. Rinse using cool water, starting from the ends and working up to the roots. You can use a conditioner for this step too. Avoid shampoo for at least 48 hours. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on social media.